April. Today's been kind of rainy and muggy. You can see. Ah, dang. Already getting hit up with rain here. The field next to my house has flooded. Like, completely and utterly flooded. I'm already running through some right now. I constructed a bridge to get across because my friend lives across down there, all the way down there. Yeah, me and him had to pull this out of the water because of, well, here's a stick. Here's a stick I can use. That's what was happening to the bridge. We grabbed it just before it went down there. Then, all the way down there is a huge, I'm going to see if I can get closer, a lake that's starting to kind of flood. Ow. So you can see it's kind of flooding. Rose up a couple of feet. But yeah, this is what happens in the bad weather. Hope it doesn't get any worse. 20,003 Naruto signing out.